Hey, la fauve is here. Okay, let's be honest. توحشتكم بزاف. توحشتكم بالبزاف. هادو pour viewers تاعي يقدم. Pour les nouveaux. Bon, hi. My name is La Fauve. I make YouTube videos, self-explanatory. I came back for two things. وليت pour deux choses. Les huma. La première des choses, je vais faire une série spécialement pour mes étudiants. Module culture et civilisation. Je vais عادي نبدلو les cours تاعنا نردوهم des vidéos. هكا باش يولوا plus entertaining. والزوجة هي ce que je vais parler moi. Je vais parler. Que غادي نديرو une série اسمها parler pour tout dire. غادي نهضروا. Talking. Well, نعاود نقولوا البوان الأول. البوان الأول هو la série éducative. La série éducative فيها La série éducative كما كنت نقول la série éducative فيها Oh
Hey, hello. Let's keep the moron away so we can talk me and you, okay? That's great. If there is anyone who will teach you anything, it will be me, Mr.
Well, like the Moran said, this particular series of videos will be designed for my students, actually my students of the L1 in the University Anti-Motion, the English department of course. This course will be a culture and civilization module, okay? We will transfer those lectures into videos and make them entertaining for you. That's one. Second thing, if you are not my student, it's okay. You can enjoy anyway the video. Now, let's get to the chase, shall we? After dealing with society and culture, in the previous lectures, when we did it in the classroom, we talked about culture. We defined culture as three main things. That is, way of life, music and art, and norms and traditions. Today we will see the way of life of the American people.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn?
This lecture will be focusing or divided into two parts, mainly two parts. The first one is land, and it's important to the American people. And the second thing is the American way, the identity and the values of the American people, okay? We will keep it brief and simple. Land. You need to understand something about the American people. Land is a fundamental element in their life since the colonial period. We will come back to the colonial period. You need to understand that the Europeans came to America to find out that there is a huge amount of land, unexplored land everywhere in the west, north and south. So naturally, they have expanded. But the idea here, the European came from Europe with the idea of the conservatism, also known as people transfer wealth through inheritance, father to son. Now, when they have found out that there is a huge amount of land and they have expanded in it, some of their values changed. They became more independent. They became more free from the traditional idea, and therefore they broke the chain of what we call traditional thinking. Those lands for the American people are a source of food, wealth, and economical and social entities. Until now, you can see or find some Americans that they buy a huge amount of ranch and land with a huge amount of money. Let's go back to the colonial period. Now, the colonial period is defined as the period of the 13 colonies. The 13 colonies followed the King of England. At that time, it was King John. Now, after the independence, the American people began to expand west, and they have fought some small wars like the war against the native people in the Mississippi River and in Nevada desert, and they have also fought other enemies like the Mexican Empire and France. Look, the bottom line is land is very major in the life of the American people. Hell, it is a part of their identity. Look, they feel connected to those lands. They feel strength from those lands. They feel that they belong to those lands. And if you ask them what is the spiritual connection that you have with your land, they will tell you that the ancestors that they were buried there and they discovered the land, they protect the land and the people that live in it. So it is a spiritual link between an American person, an average American person, and his land. Look, the American way refers to the nationalistic identity and values of the American people. It is the pursuit of happiness. For some and others, it is the American dream. According to William Herberg, he explained and tried to define the American way. The American way of life is individualistic, dynamic, and pragmatic. It affirms the supreme value and dignity of the individual. It stressed the incessant activity on his part, for he is never to rest but always to be driven to get ahead. It defines an ethic of self-reliance, merit and character, and judgment by achievement. Deeds, not greeds, are what counts. You see, the American people They try to adapt new ideas every day. They are in a constant search of a way of getting or achieving their dreams. So this mindset was set by their ancestors. They pioneered what we call build yourself with yourself, self-reliance. Most of the Americans are very proud of their identity and won't give it up for the world. The average American is very optimistic for the future. He craves success, which defined his life. The American people are moralistic. They try to see complicated stuff in a simple way, a black-white way. But as great as it sounds, some dangerous behaviors came with this mindset. Look, in the end of the video, my dear students, you need to understand something. The American culture is built or shaped by the American people. Look, it has been nice to study with you, and I know a 1 hour and a half lecture is turned into 3 minutes video or 4 minutes. I don't know how many minutes is this video. I know it's not fair. So exclusively for my students and only my students, my L1 students, English department, you have to watch this video, and also you have to download a copy of your handout from the link in the description. Take 4 minutes from your life, watch my video, your teacher's video, and read more about the subject. Okay, now in a serious matter, the world is going through difficult times, and I want you to be safe, my dear students. I want everyone to be safe. So please stay home, and also please wash your hands. Also stay safe home, and please limit your going out. Thank you very much. I'm not here to tell you subscribe or press the like button or something like that. I'm here to teach you. Lafov is here to tell you all that, but I am here to teach you. That was nice. And as always, salam.